Superman? I saw Superman. Yeah, yung superhero. Okay? So, it could be specifically Superman. Maybe you see Superman a while ago or nakita niyo si Superman while browsing the the internet, or maybe this is you, nakita mo siya somewhere, no, yung ganyan, or yung costume, okay, Superman. So, but it could be any superhero, okay? But we do all know that superhero saves, 'di ba? So, I do pick up that there is this strong message of saving. Let's see. Kasi I think it's more than yung nakita niya lang or whatever. It's like, it gives me this type of message that yung heavy content or yung parang pinakatutumbok nito is yung word save. Di ba ang role ng superhero is to save? That's how you think. Seven of Cups energy. Pwedeng iniisip mo rito kung isa bang superhero yung kadil mo or not. And I'm seeing that you're really trying to see yung mga proofs or yung mga evidences rito, no, parang medyo dumadami yung parang mga evidences rito na may kinalaman dun sa word na save. Maybe this person here always saves you. Maybe this person here is someone that you define as a superhero. Who is this person here? But you know what? I'm feeling a heavy energy right now. But it's not a sad energy. It's not a sad energy. Let's keep moving. Wow. Whoever this individual is, this person keeps on coming. This person keeps on coming into your life, sweetheart. Wow. I'm feeling yung extent ng love. It's all over the room. It's all over my room. The extent of love. You know, love is the most powerful energy of all. It is. And whoever this person is, keeps on coming sa'yo. This person will come ulit sa'yo. Wow. Wow. Darating siyang muli. Yan ang pinapakita sa akin dito. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much collective no sa patuloy at wala talaga ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na 'to. At sa mga new subscribers na thank you sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yan, welcome. Tuloy po kayo rito. At sa mga pabalik-balik ko ritong viewers, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. Yan, medyo nag-uulan-ulan sa labas, no? Medyo hindi na gano'n kainit, no? Pero syempre mga babes, no? Huwag kayong, alam mo na, lumabas nang wala kayong dalang payong, no? At kung hindi naman din kailangan lumabas, huwag na kayong lumabas, no? So, yan. So, ingat-ingat lahat dyan. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will. So, alam mo, matagal na nating nakukuha, no, previously, na meron talagang kumukonek sa inyo very strongly. And for some reason, no, binakita nating Superman kanina, no? It could be any other hero. Could be Wonder Woman for others of you. Okay? But definitely not the Flash. Kasi dito nakita ko na hinintay niyo yung isa't isa ng matagal. Mm. So this person here keeps on coming into your life. A strong past life connection. The moon represents a very emotional union. A reunion of two people right here who love each other sa iba't ibang lifetime na pinagsamahan ninyong dalawa. With that Superman or any other superhero, whoever that is, Captain Marvel, who else? Black Panther. So yeah, I do see that this person here did save you. Maraming beses na. This person here did save you. Especially, dumarating siya dito kapag oras na feeling mo heartbroken ka about something, might be sa love, or might be you feel just sad about the situation. And this person keeps on coming to you. Eight of Wands energy. For those times that with this Five of Coins and there's this Four of Swords right here and this Full card, this person, it is written sa kanya ritong tadhana na siya yung dadating kapag ka-oras na kailangan mo ng tulong. And this person here, yeah, I'm hearing that song. You know that song? If you want to, I can save you. I can take you away from here. So yeah, so whoever this individual is, this person keeps on coming to you and this person keeps on saving you from feeling sad. One moment, you're crying about something, you feel sad about something, and then this person here comes in. Hindi mo naman siya tinatawag, no? At hindi rin naman uso yung cellphone, no? Kung anong past lives kayo nagkatagpo, diba? But this person, for some reason, dumadating siya rito, no? So it's not a coincidence, sweetheart. It's not serendipity as well. This is something here meant to be. Wheel of Fortune. Nakasulat na sa mga bituin ng taong ito na siya yung taong darating para i-save ka sa lahat ng mga heartbreaks na mararanasan mo. Healing. You find yourself laughing. 1 second earlier, you're crying because of this failed relationships, because of this mess, no, na nararanasan mo or sitwasyon mo. But when this person here, no, tumatawa ka na. Your eyes, no, ay nakasmile rin. So, this person keeps on coming. And this person will also come to you now. This person will come to you now. For others experiencing heartbreak right now, this person here will save you again from this broken-hearted situation. Maybe you find yourself right here not worthy or not enough for someone. Maybe you're broken-hearted because of a relationship na hindi nag-work out with your person or with someone here. Regardless of what you are feeling right now, this person will still come to you. This person keeps on coming to you. Knight of Wands energy, Knight of Swords. This person keeps on entering your life. This person keeps on saving you. And this is so strong. Your person is really coming to you. Your person is so near to you. So whoever this individual is, this is your superhero lover. Hindi na importante, no, kung nakalimutan niyo na yung mga pangalan ninyo noon. Ang importante, lagi kayong pinagtatagpo dito. Pero ganun ang ganun yung sitwasyon. Dumadating siya pag oras na bigo ka about something, disappointed ka about something, and this person here shows up. Kagaya ng mga ginagawa niya noon sa inyo. Sa lahat ng mga panahon na yun with the World Card energy, this is your lover. Your man. Your woman. And you will still recognize each other in this lifetime. In this 3D world, ito, tong mundo na to, no? This is so strong. Your love for each other is talagang paulit-ulit kayo rito, no? Na magkikita at magtatagpo sa anumang lifetime. Matagal ninyong hinintay ang isa't isa. At ito, muli kayong pinagtagpo, muli kayong pagtatagpuin. At ang maganda, may permission ni universe para mangyari ito. Temperance energy, Six of Coins, and there's this World card. Nagsisimula na para sa iba sa inyo ang panibagong chapter, no, na parang na-break nyo na naman yung record, no, parang pwede na kayong maitala sa Guinness Book of World Records dito dahil sa sobrang lakas ng inyong love. Love is the most powerful energy. And it's true. No one can define the exact measurement of your love for each other. And it is so powerful na ngayon, pagtatagpuin kayo ulit. At sa mga susunod pa. You might be like this, what, Miss Ye? That kind of love, wala nang ganyan ngayon. No? Maybe you're like that. But what if I told you that the main character in this story is you? It doesn't matter kung maalala mo yan dahil ang tagal-tagal na nun, makailang ulit na yan. But you are the main character. You are that soul, you are that kaluluwa, you are that soul who experienced this extreme love that I'm talking about. You are always being saved by this person right here at paparating na naman siyang ulit sa buhay mo, yung iba dumating na 'to sa buhay ninyo 'no, at ang maganda may permission ito, may basbas, yes, I heard that word, basbas ni universe 'no, para muling magbukas ang pintuan 'no, para sa inyong dalawa. Hindi naman kailangan maalala ninyo kung ano yung mga pangalan ninyo dati, ano yung itsura ninyo dati 'no. It's just that you're destined to meet this person just like how this person is destined. 'Di ba, nakasulat sa kanya ritong tadhana na palagi siyang darating kapag oras ng kailangan mo siya. Ikaw, nakasulat rin sa iyong tadhana na ikaw yung palagi niya ritong ililigtas sa ganitong klase ng malungkot or mahirap na sitwasyon para sa'yo. You and this person are really meant for each other. He is your man and you are his woman. So I do not know who I'm really talking to right now, but this is so emotional right here, and we keep on getting this type of reading. This person will not just heal your heart, but this person here will light up your whole world. You will start living in the moment, you will start to feel so happy, you will start to appreciate more yourself, you will start to live. This man will show up in your life. This woman will show up in your life. You know what? Nakita ko ng, alam mo yung paulit-ulit na nagtatawanan, nagkakasiyahan, no, na dalawang tao rito. So, it looks like this is the type of connection right here that definitely surpass all the tests and challenges of time. Past lives are real. That's why other people, meron silang glimpse of their past lives. Sometimes, kapag nakakadaan sila sa isang lugar, they feel like, parang nakadaan na ako sa lugar na to. Why this lugar is so familiar to me? Because they've been there. So, whatever the case may be, I do see that this is your man and this is your woman right here. So prepare yourself to be in a super strong love relationship with this person here. Bago pa kayo pinanganak ng taong ito. Bago pa magsimula ang unang past life na samahan ninyong dalawa. Nakatakda na talaga kayo para sa isa't isa. Wow! Wow! I really feel so moved with this type of reading. No? But I want you to claim this because this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, no? Sobrang ganda nito, no? Sobrang ganda nito. So yeah, ito yung mga mensahe no natin for you guys this Sunday. Thank you so much for your time and sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.